Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you every Windows computer has inbuilt malicious software removal tool. So then for more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for MRT. Now you will see the application, just click on it. Now you can see the inbuilt Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool program gets open. Now just proceed by clicking on next. Now here you will see three different types of scan options. The first one is a quick scan, second one is a full scan, and last one is the custom scan. So here I'm going to select the quick scan. So whichever scan you want to choose, you can select by yourself. And after that, just click on next. Now it will start scanning for any malicious software present on your respective Windows computer. So finally the scanning has been completed and you can see the report here. No malicious software was detected. So in my case, I don't have any malicious software present on my respective Windows computer. So once you're done, you can just click on finish. So using this inbuilt Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, you can easily scan and find out if there is any malicious software present on your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.